Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'll be sharing clear and easy to understand videos about technology and related topics. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay updated with future videos. Now, let's get into today's topic. Ever wonder where the internet actually lives? Your favorite shows, social media, even your games, they're not floating in the cloud. They're all stored in data centers. Think of them as massive tech hubs, packed with powerful servers, giant storage arrays, lightning-fast networks, and crazy cooling systems, all working together to keep our digital world alive. From the app on your phone to the networks that connect the globe, data centers are the hidden backbone of our online lives. So, what exactly happens inside these places, and why are they so crucial? Let's find out. Before we talk about data centers, let's start with something simple. Think about the physical IT devices we use every day: servers, networking devices like switches and routers, and storage systems. For personal use or even a small company, you might only need one or two of these devices. But now imagine an enterprise environment. A place where there are hundreds or even thousands of these physical devices, all working together. And here's the challenge. These devices must run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, all year long, without any power outages or interruptions. So how do organizations ensure that everything operates smoothly and reliably? This is where the concept of a data center comes in. A data center provides a highly controlled environment with stable power, cooling, security, and connectivity designed to keep all these devices running continuously without disruption. Now that we understand why data centers are important, let's explore what actually lives inside a modern data center. When you step into a data center, the first thing you notice is long rows of server racks, organized, structured, and constantly running. Inside these racks are the critical components that power applications, websites, cloud services, and enterprise systems. Servers. High-performance computers built to run applications, virtual machines, databases, and business workloads. They provide the compute power and memory resources that organizations depend on every second. Storage systems. Dedicated devices that store massive amounts of data. This includes SAN, Storage Area Network, NAS, Network-Attached Storage, SSD arrays, and high-capacity disk enclosures used for backups, transactions, and long-term archival. Networking equipment. Switches, routers, firewalls, and load balancers. These devices connect all systems together and provide secure, high-speed communication inside the data center and out to the internet. But a data center isn't just IT hardware. To keep everything running 24/7, it relies on powerful supporting infrastructure. Power systems. UPS units, battery banks, PDUs, diesel generators, and redundant electrical feeds. These ensure continuous power even if the main grid fails. Cooling and environmental control. Precision air conditioning, chillers, CRAC and CIH units, raised floors, hot aisle and cold aisle containment. These systems maintain stable temperature and airflow to prevent overheating. Cabling and structured network paths. Fiber optic and copper cables organized through trays and conduits to reduce interference and optimize data flow. Security systems. Surveillance cameras, man-traps, biometric scanners, RFID access cards, and alarm systems that protect the physical environment from unauthorized access. Fire detection and suppression. Advanced smoke detection, gas-based suppression systems like FM200 or Novec 1230 are designed to extinguish fire without damaging equipment. And supporting all of this is the brain of the facility. Monitoring and management systems. Software dashboards that track power usage, temperature, network activity, hardware health, and overall uptime. Network Operations Center. A control room where engineers monitor the entire data center in real time and respond to issues instantly. In summary, a data center is a highly engineered environment combining compute, storage, networking, power, cooling, security, and intelligent monitoring, working together to deliver reliable, 24/7 digital services for the world. Now that we understand what a data center contains, let's explore the main types of data centers used today. There are 4 major categories. Number 1, enterprise data centers. These are fully owned and managed by the organization. They are built on the company's property and provide complete control over hardware, security, and operations. Large companies use enterprise data centers for critical applications and confidential data. Number 2, colocation data centers, also known as colo. Here, organizations do not build their own facility. Instead, they rent space inside a professional data center. They bring their own servers and storage, while the colocation provider handles power, cooling, physical security, and high-speed connectivity. This model is cost-effective and ideal for growing businesses. Number 3, cloud data centers. These are operated by large cloud providers like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. The cloud provider owns the hardware, and customers access computing resources over the Internet. Instead of managing physical servers, organizations use virtual machines, storage, and cloud services on demand. This offers flexibility, scalability, and pay-as-you-go pricing. Number 4, edge data centers. These are small, distributed data centers located close to end users or devices. Their purpose is to reduce latency by processing data near its source. Edge data centers are essential for IoT devices, smart cities, autonomous vehicles, and real-time applications. In summary, enterprise data centers are owned by the company. Colocation centers provide rented space. Cloud data centers are fully virtual and provider-managed. And edge data centers are small, local, and designed for low-latency processing. Each type serves a unique purpose depending on the organization's needs, budget, and scale. The largest data center in the world by physical area is the China Telecom's Inner Mongolia Information Park, located in Hohhot, China. It spans more than 10.6 million square feet. The facility has a power capacity of 150 megawatts and supports China's national telecom network, along with major companies such as Alibaba, Tencent, and Baidu. One of its most notable features is its use of the region's naturally cold climate to achieve highly efficient cooling. While it is the largest by size, other data centers, like the AI-focused Colossus II in Mississippi, are known for their massive power capacity and high-density GPU infrastructure. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more IT and tech content.